Town.
Haya.
Hii simu kama na watu sijui wanasema ati Mombasa huwa kunakuwa blue blue mpaka town. Saa hii ukienda so we are seeing if we can get food, otherwise still street food. Is it a street food?
It is street food.
Maybe street food. We are going there. So maybe we have to sit here. You see this jug is a drinking water. I don't know. Is it a drinking water? This one here. And this is salt. So let's see what we are going to have here because I'm not sure otherwise. So let's see what we are going to have. Actually, she has ordered matumbo.
Yeah, I just want to take my matumbo.
Matumbo and ugali. Sima.
Finally, we are at the hotel. We have looked for sugarcane and we have failed to get sugarcane. So the PC people, please kindly bring a lot of sugarcane around Mombasa so that we cannot miss.
So let's see actually. And me I've ordered chapati.
And this one is called mchunga.
Yes, mchunga
This is
also.
my favorite.
Mchunga.
And
It's
look
very
at
bitter.
this. Very delicious. I really love this. So I mix it. I just mix it like this. By the way, you know,
We don't know where to wash our hands. So there.
Sima.
Sima. Sima, yeah. What's up, guys? Here we are having our lunch, and this is introduce yourself.
Christine, as usual. Now,
This is Kristen at Mombasa Coast. We are having chapati. She's having matumbo and mchunga, sima, ugali. Yeah, and I'm also having chapati and beans.
I love this. When you come around here, just come and check this one here. This is matumbo. And we have to pray before we take it.
Okay.
Heavenly Father, in Jesus' name, we thank you for the food that you have given unto us. May it be good for our health. In Jesus' name we pray and believe. Amen. And now we can start enjoying our food.
So thank you. Welcome. Let's have our lunch and hope you enjoy the video as we are going to eat. Maybe if you are outside there, you are also having your lunch. Let's move on together. Yeah.
And the girl has just told me that she's not taking ugali at lunchtime. Sorry. Not taking ugali at lunchtime because she doesn't want to become so.
Maybe sleeping. I'll sleep on my way maybe when I'm going. No, we have to. Hakuna marawe ya nazi wanaipatia ile makaranga kama ziko bado.
Kuna malawi ya nasi.
We didn't even ask the price, maybe. Tutachonga viazi.
Our subscribers are going to come for us if we are stuck inside here if we cannot be able to pay.
See the chapati is here.
Yeah.
It's here.
Unauliza kwa nini hujaweka coconut hapo?
See, I am from country and I needed beans with coconut inside, but they have given me the usual, which one? The one I have when I'm at country. How's that? You are mchunga test.
By the way,
This is Mombasa, Mombasa City. We are having street food. Otherwise, I'm just enjoying.
subscribe to this channel.
Her channel, also to my channel. The other side, come to my side.
You can pay this land through
This thing is disturbing you, so I have to bang it here.
so that you enjoy your food.
Yeah. The chapatis are very soft. I think they are hot evening. I think they cooked them like a few minutes ago, and the time now is like 1 o'clock maybe.
But anyway, guys, these people are really struggling to do business because things have gone so high. And we congratulate them for this.
Let me show you how the place looks.
Let's go.
That's how the
Yeah.
place looks.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. And when the chicken chapati,
Habari yenu?
Nzuri yetu kabisa mama. Karibu. Niko Kenya. Tangaza hiyo kidogo. Yes, you have been joined with another friend here. She's also come to take care of herself.
you can introduce yourself.
My name is Ellen. Christine is my sister, my colleague. I love her. Continue supporting her in her YouTube channel.
Saying your name is Christy.
My name,
Condom.
my name is Ellen Manja. Christine is my colleague. Please continue supporting her in her YouTube channel.
Welcome. This is our visitor. Actually, when you are somewhere, you don't miss having a visitor. Like, even if you have cooked the lunch at home, unaweza ukapokea wageni from nowhere. So, karibu sana.
Thank you.
Yeah, yes. Are you really?
They gave me maharagwe kidogo.
I told you to take. I told you to eat ugali.
I don't like ugali in lunch hours.
Eka kideri?
Yangu ni ndogo.
We are finally through. Even we are sweating. That's how it is here.
We are full. But still the plates are empty. Otherwise, thank you for being with us, enjoying our lunch here. So I was just remembering the food, the taste of the Gossip food. So, Christine, what do you think about the food you have had, maybe?
It's so tasty. I've enjoyed because I like what I've eaten. I really like muchunga. Muchunga. Nice. And the taste is so fantastic, so delicious, so yummy.
So, otherwise, I can say thank you for hosting me here. I have enjoyed the lunch. It's not like ours, the way we eat a country there, we eat ugali. Ugali
Almost every time.
almost every day. Like ugali for lunch, ugali for dinner. Yeah.
But the flour is so scarce these days. Those who are eating ugali are rich people.
No, they're not rich. But then, you just compare, if you didn't eat dinner nicely, you have to cook lunch. Or if you have eaten lunch, you will skip dinner. So lunch, if you have tea and then you go to sleep. Yeah.
Otherwise, we thank God for giving us an opportunity to be here this afternoon and to meet together and at least sit on one table to eat. You see, that's the work of God, as I say.
Yeah. Yes. Sometimes you can arrange something and it doesn't work, maybe. You may get some things confusing here and then the day goes like that. So I really appreciate the love that you have shown me. Since I came like I've finished like a week, but I was saying I have to find where she is hidden here. So it's a very lovely day.
Lost and found.
So
Lost and found.
continue supporting us. If you are at Christine's channel, come and support me. If you are in my channel,
Yes, let us take her to 2K, please.
yeah,
Just
because
very soon.
I've stayed like in 1K, like I've also finished like another year. Just saying, wow.
Surely.
Subscribe. There are so many people who are outside there, and you are not subscribing. Go do it. It doesn't cost you anything. Just using your finger. Yeah, and then you finish that chapter. Yeah, and so that you get a lot of notifications. I'm just planning to go back to the village. Maybe we will continue cooking with fire, with smoke.
And so many more.
Yeah, and so many more.
Because we have to create content.
Yeah. So let's continue praying to each other. God is may God give us the strength so that we may continue supporting each other. Your strength is always our strength from here. That we are very much happy. Thank you so much. We may end up this video here. Happy lunch. Happy New Week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Happy New Week. Bye bye. Be strong.
Yeah. Subscribe. Don't forget. Yeah.